I am in a brand new built home. This is the mudroom, and this is the area that I will be working on today. So the clients requested a cozy, practical, beautiful place for their kids to drop off their backpacks, their shoes when walking through the garage door, and that is exactly what we are going to do. So the first thing that I'm actually going to do is put up a ginormous mirror on the wall, because this is the mudroom. This is where they will be going into the garage to get into their car, and you always need a mirror to make sure you're looking good before running out the door. So a great hack that I use for large pieces is to use some painter tape and mark off the areas where you need to drill in your screws, and then you just basically use a level to attach this to the wall, and this will ensure that you get your holes in the right place every single time. But before I do that, I do need to first pre-drill some holes in here and then add in some drywall anchors. So if you don't have a stud, you definitely want to do this because you don't want the mirror come crashing down on you. But if you do have a stud, you just put in your screw into the stud and you are good to go. Adding this mirror made the biggest difference in this mudroom. It made it look that much more bigger, and it is so practical and functional. Moving on into the area where there is a bench, we needed to add some hooks. So putting in some bronze hooks really is going to add in that warmth into this house. This is a very black and white house, and in order to make something cozy, you do need to bring in those warmer tones, and these hooks right here are not just going to do that, but they're also going to provide the functionality of hanging up some coats or backpacks, trying to keep things beautiful and practical at the same time. Slowly but surely, this mudroom is coming together, and on the opposite side of the hooks, there is just ginormous wall, and I thought, you know what, let's do a little gallery wall. I have these beautiful 16 by 16 inch oak frames, and this is kind of the layout that I decided to do. And I will tell you what, measuring this was a pain in the butt. I feel like measuring is half the battle. Hanging up the stuff is really easy. Now, we did not include any pictures inside these frames for this video, just to keep things a little bit more private for this family, but there are some black and white pictures that are going in here, and it just ties in so beautifully with the rest of the house. Just everything is flowing together so nicely, and most importantly, I love the reflection that you could see the frames from the mirror. And to add in a little bit more light into this area, and again tie in the brass details, I am bringing in this picture light. These are from two different companies, two different sellers, and they look so good together with the hooks. It was definitely a great find. And again, you have a stud, attach this onto a stud. If not, make sure to use drywall anchors to make sure that this doesn't fall down. Adding this picture light was such a good call. It brings in light and again just ties in those brass details, makes it look so cozy and beautiful. Now the clients did request some to hang up some of their original pieces, and so of course I am gonna go ahead and add that using some command hooks. To me, it's really important to include the clients' items in their homes, so I'm really glad that we were able to put this on and bring in a little bit more of their things into their space. Now I am coming in with this ginormous extra large runner. This is amazing because it is washable. So when you're walking in here with your shoes on and you have a bunch of kids and they bring the dirt in, this just goes straight into your washer and it's good as new. I love this rug. It is so beautiful. And of course, you always want to attach your rug with some rug tape to prevent it from slipping and sliding. But to my surprise, this rug already came with anti-grip strips on the back, which was absolutely amazing. Now moving on to the fun part, I am bringing in this beautiful distressed vase. It does have a hint of blue on it, which ties in really well with the rug, and I'm just placing this right on the top shelf. And right next to that, I am also bringing in this beautiful piece right here. I love the handles. I love the warm color. It almost kind of ties in with the brassiness. And right next to that, I will be styling 2 of these brass boxes right on top, again just to bring in the warmth into this area. Next to that, I'm bringing in a stack of books and I'm placing these gold candlestick holders on them. I will say that after a couple days, I did come back and replace them with black. I just felt like there was too much gold going on, but you kind of get the picture. Now in that vase, I did go ahead and get some florals. Now at the time of decorating this video, it was fall, so we put in some fall arrangements, but the beauty of this is that you can just take the florals out and put in some greenery for the summertime or some pine stems for the Christmas season. So very easy to switch out the decor. If you don't have an eye for decor, you just take these flowers out and add something that is appropriate for the season. Now to style the shelves, I'm keeping things really simple and practical with just a purse and a scarf, and of course the clients later on will use this for their items. Now for the bottom of this bench, this was a custom made cushion which you could easily DIY with fabric and a staple gun, and so we went with this beautiful velvet green fabric just because we have green accents throughout the home, and of course styled in some pillows for some coziness. And for the bottoms, I am bringing in these beautiful scalloped baskets. They looked so good in this space to collect the kids' shoes and socks or anything else that needs to go in there. Now let's remember the space, how we started out. It was very empty, didn't have any coziness, and this is how it turned out at the end. This space turned out so beautiful, so cozy, and so functional at the same time. I am really happy with the way it turned out. Thank you so much for watching, for staying until the end. Stay tuned for more decorating, more makeover videos coming your way, and I will see you in the next one.